when you meditate transcendently, what do you meditate about? Meditate about silence, or about the source of thought, or about the metaphysics of the soul, or about being as being, or about a fullness of existence, or what more concretely?
In transcendental meditation, the definition cannot be framed on what we meditate. We don't meditate about we don't meditate about anything. Transcendental meditation is something in which we do not meditate about anything. Meditation about anything means contemplation. Meditate about the petal, think all this. This I call contemplation. And contemplation is thinking about something on the level of meaning. It's like swimming on the surface of the pond. In thinking about something, we come across newer and newer meaning, newer and newer phases about it. But it's like swimming on the surface and finding new horizons, but remaining on the surface. Transcendental meditation is diving deep into the pond. In this transcendental meditation, we don't meditate about something. What we do is experience the finer state of thought. Not an intellectual process. It's a mechanical process of direct perception, direct experience. Experience of thought, experience of finer state of thought, experience of finest state of thought, experience of source of thought. Direct experience, not thinking about something.
Now this experience of thought, what experiences thought? Thought experiences itself, or thought experiences an object?
Mind experiences the thought. The thought is the object of experience in this case. Gross state of thought and subtle state of thought and subtle state.
Now, I understand that you have said that the principal end of transcendental meditation is the expansion of consciousness, the expansion of, and I presume also that you...
Expansion of the mind is the result of this process of experiencing finer state of thought. When the finer states of thought are experienced, then the mind expands. So expansion of the mind is the result. It's not the process.
Will the mind experience itself? Will the mind experience mind?
Mind experiences the thought. Mind is the experiencer, and the thought is the object of experience.
Yes.